All right, so check this out. I 3D printed this today. This is Mark 1. This is the shell. Not real happy with the quality right now, but it's gonna get better, okay? Let's take this. This right here goes inside here, okay? So right now, all I have is teepee. I took 2 squares of Charmin. We put this thing right here in the middle of that, and then we take it and put it down into the mask. Now, you can use the regular filters that you get from the surgical masks, and those will work fine. See, because wearing those doesn't do you any good because air comes in from everywhere. Then all I have to do, see, here's our teepee inside here, and here's the front. Now I just have to put windowsill around there to make it a comfort fit and airtight. And we've got a reusable, cleanable mask. Now, I'm gonna treat this one, and then hopefully the second one will do good, but my idea is this. I can make a mold with my 3D printer. I think I can make these out of silicone, or whatever it is that they make in the movies, you know? They pour them into the molds, and maybe make them faster because this took 5 hours to make. That's a long time for one. So, that's that.